Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford F-150 Raptor, powered by a performance-tuned 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and especially 4x4ing, with some excellent fuel efficiency, coming with platform running boards on the side so you can have an easier time getting in, mud flaps on the front and rear, of course your Performance Fox shocks in the front and rear, your big old off-road tires, a hardtop tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements. But let's take a look inside. First, looking in the back, where you have spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle here, with a 12-volt USBs, two USBs, and a 110-volt power outlet, as well as having heated rear seats, which can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks with 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 81,678 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your button here to cycle through your steering mode for normal, sport, and comfort. And then on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology and your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, fuel history, compass, and auto start stop status. Moving over, you have your gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, and my key status. Then you have your towing information, off-road status, as well as your Raptor status, where it shows you everything, all your modes, everything you've turned off and on, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You do also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and a heated steering wheel so you can keep your fingers warm. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your hill descent assist, traction control shutoff, hazards, your camera view again, your auto start stop shutoff, and you do have a premium Beano sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. But then moving down, you have your media controls, of course, and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air-conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential. Then you have your Pro Trailer backup controller and trailer brake controller. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Down below, you have this compartment with 2 USBs, so you can plug something in from there. And then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul mode. But you do also have massive paddle shifters on the steering wheel for manually shifting, along with having this very sporty steering wheel, part of the Raptor package. And then you have 2 cup holders in the middle, and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another 12 volt, so you can plug something in from there too. Before I miss it, you do also have your lane keeping system button right there. But then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. Then looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches here, which can be wired up however you please. And then last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.